All right, good morning. As part of our rig rebuild series, one of the first things we're going to do is replace our tires that came with the truck. They came with Goodyear Wranglers, which are essentially passenger-rated tires. They are very comfortable when driving and give you all the nice cushion and everything you need. But again, we want to increase our safety. So a few days ago, I ordered the Michelin Defenders. They're truck tires. They're 10-ply, much heavier sidewall, a discount tire. So we have an appointment this morning. We're going to walk you through and film as much as we can of getting our tires replaced. We'll give you all the details, how it rides, everything we have on the exact specifications later in the video.
All right, you guys purchased the tires online, I believe?
We did.
You guys, which vehicle is it on?
This is the truck right here.
Yes, ma'am. After you guys.
Thanks so much.
No, you're good, Mike. No, I don't mind being on camera.
Thanks, man.
I love this color on this Ford.
That's beautiful, right?
Sure.
It's avalanche.
There you go, yeah. Do you have those keys on you?
Yeah, I do.
I should hop in and just get the updated mileage really quick here. Have you guys ever...
All brand new.
Brand new? Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah, we've been here several times.
We had our trailer tires put on here.
Yes, ma'am. So what, 170 miles on the truck or something? Or
Yeah.
is that really?
That's it.
It's brand new.
Gosh. So when did you guys get this? Like a couple days ago, or?
No, it's a couple weeks ago.
So did you have a Ford before this vehicle too?
We had a Toyota Tundra.
Oh.
And we had tires put on here. We had our RV.
Okay.
Put on there. These are the passenger-rated tires. Then what we want to do is get
the heavier ply ones, right?
Yeah,
the LT.
10 ply.
Yes, sir.
It's going to be the exact same tire, but heavier.
Heavier. Okay.
These are 37 pounds.
Yeah.
The new ones I think are 51.
Correct. Yes, sir.
But the sidewall is much stiffer and stuff. So
Yeah.
Are you towing a trailer?
Oh,
we have a big 7,000 pound trailer, so
Okay.
when it starts to sway or the truck passes through or anything like that,
Yeah.
the stiffer sidewall is more stable.
Exactly. Yeah.
If you're doing 70 miles an hour, you get past by an 18-wheeler, kind of get you swaying and high winds.
Yes,
Better
sir.
tires. So it keeps you
That's good. No, 100%. So we're going with Goodyear's, just the bigger, high.
No, it's the Michelin.
That's good.
The Michelin Defenders.
Yes, sir. Yeah, absolutely. Let's head inside. We'll check in today, sir.
Yes, sir. I got them around locked up.
That was quick, just like that. Now we got to close up the tonneau cover and get these old tires over to our storage facility. We just left Discount Tire and we're on the highway headed to our storage facility to drop off the old tires. And so far, I think the tires are doing really well. They feel really smooth.
Yeah, feels planted.
Yeah.
And it's actually quieter, I believe, than the other ones. They're supposed to be very quiet.
Yeah, it does feel more stable, which is really what it's supposed to do. Like when trucks are passing you, like the one that's passing us now, when you have your trailer attached and everything. And so it's supposed to help with that and in windy conditions, which always scares me a little bit.
Yeah.
So
yeah, when that has stiffer sidewalls by far, and so when the trucks come by and it pulls you in. If you're driving RVs, you get sucked in back and forth, and it can be a different feeling. But these tires will help. They're supposed to help with that. We'll find out soon.
we will find out. We're getting ready to take a trip just a couple hours from here, and that will be a real test of what it's like with our trailer attached. So we'll be sharing that with you as well. But right now we're going to get down to the storage facility and catch up with you there.
All right, now that we've stopped and we're at our storage facility, let's get a closer look at the Michelin Defenders. Love them. They look great on the truck. The height is exactly the same as the Goodyear Wranglers, so our clearance is exactly the same. They are heavier, 14 pounds each heavier. That gives the planted feel when we were driving. So let's go over here on the other side of the truck and give you all the details of this tire and exactly what we paid for it. Yeah, that's a good place to end it.
Well, let's talk stats and numbers.
All right, so just give you some more detail on the actual tire. So I'm going to put it on the screen, but they are a Michelin Defenders LTX MS2 LT 275 65 R18 123S E1 BSW. Now there's another tire that's pretty similar, but it's really designed for construction. This one is as a more of a highway focus, along with the other features that we mentioned before. And we want to talk price, right?
And price. So this was at discount tire, and they were $312 each. But after installation and the other fees, we also got a 5% veteran discount.
Yes.
So if you're a veteran or active military, be sure and take advantage of that. The total price after all of that plus tax was $1416.87.
We got a $16 back.
We did.
What's behind us?
Yeah, we got a big $16 back because we took the tires with us and they didn't have to dispose of them.
Yep.
Yeah, and so we're keeping the tires because they only had like 170 miles on them.
That's correct.
And so we're going to try to go ahead and sell those to someone who could really use some good tires.
Hope so.
I hope so too. Well, we're going to kind of wrap this up. Thank you for joining us for the first of our rig rebuild series. There'll be more to come as we do more, and we'll bring that to you. So just stick with us and we'll see you down the road.